Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll explain how you can make a collage in iPhone gallery. So this is currently iPhone 16 Pro. So let us see how you can make a collage in this phone. So on the search, you can search as shortcuts. So just open the shortcuts and see here at the bottom there are three options. You need to click on this gallery option at the bottom right. Yeah, here on the gallery. So once you click on gallery, then there is an option called photo grid. So on the search, you can just search as grid or photo grid. Okay, there are various options available on the gallery, but we need the grid option. So I'll be searching as photo grid or grid. So on the search box, grid. Okay, yeah, see the first option, photo grid. Select some photos and turn them into a collage. So click on the plus symbol, so it will open your phone gallery. So as it is mentioned, you need to select some pictures and it will make a collage as a single photo or a story you can explain. See here, for example, these are your photos. This is my gallery. Okay, this is my phone gallery. So you can select whichever photos you want. So in this example, what I'll do is I'll try to select 4 photos. So I'll make them into a single photo or a collage of photos. Okay, yeah, yes, 1 2 3 4. Okay, fine. So at the top there are options like add here. So click on that add at the top. Yeah, so at the top right there is done, or at the bottom left there is the option something like share or the upload button. Click on that so that it gets saved to your mobile. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.